My dear friends, today I will show you a phacoemulsification surgery of grade 3 nuclear sclerosis patients. I want to emphasize few important points. Out of them, first is how to make the rhexis, and second one, how to do the procedures, and third most important is how you will do the modified direct chop technique. After injecting 0.6% trypan blue dye, now make a cystitome by using 26 gauge needle. Wash the dye and then inject the 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Spread some HPMC over the corneal surface and then inject. And now make a adequate size continuous curvilinear capsular rhexis. See how I am making the rhexis. Make a scratch incision over the capsule, lift up the flap and exert the tangential force over the flap in such a way that the tearing is almost circular, like this. Now this is completed within 10 seconds. First, when I was learning this rhexis, at that moment I take approximately 10 to 12 minutes, but now it is reduced up to 10 seconds. Now to make the main port and then do the hydro procedure. Hydrodissection. See, this is hydrodissection. Inject some BSS in between the rhexis margin and the lens surface, and then withdraw the needle and then again inject few amount of BSS in the cortex. This will do the hydrodelineation. Now rotate the nucleus. Nuclear rotation is must. Free nuclear rotation indicates there is no corticocapsular adhesion. Inject some HPMC and then start the modified direct chop. My dear friends, in this technique, first I will emulsify some superficial cortex, then I will make a trench of adequate depth, and then I will rotate the nucleus and will go to the US2 mode. I will embed the phaco-tip and then will start the chopping. See, emulsify some superficial cortex. At this time I am using very minimal power, is about 20. Now I am in US1 mode, making the trench. Here the vacuum is 300, flow rate is 70 and power is 40. Now I am going to US2 mode. Simultaneously I am rotating the nucleus. Embed the phaco-tip, make some vacuum and hold the nucleus and then chop it. This is very good technique. Once you will acquire it, then you will admire it. This is second chop, and now rotate the nucleus and then embed the phaco-tip hold the nucleus and then chop it. Thus do the multiple chops. Now go to the US3 mode. Hold a piece of nucleus, bring it from periphery to the center and emulsify it.
Can you please put your hands together?
My dear friends, always keep in mind that don't waste the phaco energy in the anterior chamber unnecessary. When the nucleus is in front of your phaco tip, then only use the power and try to engulf the material with the vacuum. Now go to the US4 mode, that is epinucleus mode, and emulsify the epinucleus. Always remember, remove the chopper first, then the phaco probe. Now inject some HPMC and do the cortical cleaning. With the use of either Synco cannula or you can use bimanual irrigation aspiration cannula. Subincisional cortex can be removed from right side port and from the main port also. Thus, I explained how to do the rhexis, how to do the hydro procedures, and how you will do the modified direct chop techniques. Thank you very much for watching this video.